spending hundreds on a tool. Stop. I just tested the best free alternatives that actually compete with premium software. Here's what you need to know. Free A tools have exploded in quality. ChatGPT free, Claude's free tier, and Canva's A features deliver professional results without subscriptions. The gap between free and paid has narrowed dramatically. However, paid tools offer advanced features like API access, higher usage limits, and priority support. For most creators and freelancers starting out, free tools are genuinely sufficient. First, ChatGPT free for writing and brainstorming. Second, Canva A for design templates and image generation. Third, to read editing with iTranscription. Fifth, Revo BDA for research and fact-checking. Fourth, Vocation with A transcription. Fifth, Revo for research and fact-checking. Fourth, Read editing with A transcription. Fifth, Remove ADB for background removal. Of research and fact-checking. Fifth, Read all completely free, zero credit card required. These handle 80% of creator workflows without any cost. Pay when you hit usage limits that slow your workflow. If you're rendering 100+ images monthly, upgrade to Midjourney, need unlimited API calls, Claude Pro makes sense. Running a team, paid tools offer collaboration features. Budget matters, start free, upgrade strategically based on actual needs, not hype. Most professionals use a hybrid approach, free tools for basics, paid for specialized tasks. Free A tools are production ready in 2024. They're perfect for testing, learning, and building your first projects. Paid tools offer speed and advanced features, but they're not necessary to start. Choose based on your specific bottleneck, not FOMO. Experiment with free options first. You'll save money and discover what actually matters for your business. Drop a comment, which free A tool changed your workflow? Hit subscribe for more honest tool reviews without the fluff.